of coordinating multiple machines, stressed by high labor costs and complex operations, today we introduce you a game changer, the Daswell Self-Loading Drum Mixer. It redefines concrete efficiency, makes multi-machine coordination a thing of the past. Its core advantage, the self-loading system. No need for a separate loader, its dedicated bucket handles materials like a pro. From sand, gravel to cement, all automatically. The built-in electronic hydraulic scale weighs each portion with precision. This ends in accurate manual weighing and material waste for good, ensuring perfect mix ratios and consistent quality from the start. But it's more than a self-loader. It's an all-in-one solution. Loading, mixing, transporting, and discharging. It's a mobile batching plant right at your site. One machine does it all, replacing the need for anything else. It turns a multi-stage process into one smooth operation. Beyond hardcore performance, it's designed for operator ease. The cabin is built entirely around user-friendly operation. The dashboard is clear, showing key data like drum speed and weight. Switching between functions is seamless with a joystick. Even a beginner can master it quickly, reducing dependency on skilled operators, saving you training time and labor costs. The 270-degree rotation allows discharge in tight spaces. Its powerful engine and four-wheel drive ensure reliability on rough terrain. From country roads and slope protection to factories and bridge foundation, when it involves concrete, this Daswell Self-Loading Mixer handles it easily. Need more details or solution? We're here to help. At Daswell, our mission is to contribute to building a better world together.